هويو تاريخي هاتي أوغاد أيولي يهي أقوري
يدي دقنكنا وعبا وبلدك كم هغضو عليله لقاه المامي
and subclan on the flat and comfortable stones used to sit on top of the mountain. The assembly of judges representing the 12 clans sit on stone seats marked with their tribe's identity. Xeer Ciise is a political response challenging a situation of anarchy and violence. It is designed to build a new society based on the rule of law and served as the very foundation for maintaining the regional peace. The Somali Isa community members in the three countries are also led by one traditional political leader known as Ugaz, who is also the spiritual father and the symbol of the law and guardian of the unity of the Confederation. His position is neither hereditary nor elective. He is chosen after a long process of collective search. The major criteria for the election of Ugaz states that the candidate must not commit crime and involve in any kind of conflicts and wars. He should be in his teens and has to be handsome and free from any kind of addiction. A young man who meets and fulfills all the criteria is elected as Ugaz. Starting the day he is chosen, he is considered as the son of all Somali Isa. After this, the Ugaz will be kept in the countryside for 6 months and goes through all the lands of Isa and crosses the 12 rivers that are found in Ethiopia, Djibouti, and Somalia. On his way, the community members welcome him with joyful greetings and shout with high voice of excitement. Moreover, they give honor to him by putting green leaves on his head. When he arrives at Sayla in Somalia, he wears a turban on his head and is given the title of Ugaz and swears to honestly serve the people. The current and 19th Ugaz of Somali Isa, who live in Djibouti, Somalia, and Ethiopia, is Mustafa Muhammad Ibrahim. The term of office of the Ugaz is for life. However, if he is accused of violating laws and regulations, could be impeached, tried, and uprooted from office and replaced by another Ugaz. The main headquarters of the Ugaz is customarily fixed to be in Dhawaaqday city in Ethiopia. The Djibouti-Addis Ababa railway and highway, which bind Ethiopia to the outside world, pass across the city zone in Dhawaaqday, which is a strategic location across the commercial route. Xeer Ciise is also a complex system that incorporates pivotal institutions such as Gudi and Gande. The Gudi is an assembly of judges with a very large set of powers at local level. The traditional judges, Gudi, represent the 12 clans of the Somali Isa. They gather in the shade of trees used as courts and sit around in circle to hear the cases of conflicts. They arbitrate disputes and provide solutions according to the traditional law.
MashaAllah. Bravo!
وشوي ودنكنا هويو تاريخي هاتي أوغاد أيولي يهي أقوري
يدي دقنكنا وعبا وبلدك كم هغضو عليله لقاه المامي
هذا لقعنا هاروركا حروب لقو مالعانا أقول يقودو مديو بلا وهاي ورقو المامي وهاتدا ليهي ودنكنا هويو
سها قصركا عدالة لقو هبي يدكي ستي لقو هلوسي أنتي ولا مهوراني
هذا لقعنا هاروركا حروب لقو مالعانا أقول يقودو مديو بلا وهاي ورقو المامي وهاتدا ليهي ودنكنا هويو
سها قصركا عدالة لقو هبي geedkiisiti lagu halo